I added all-purpose flour to the boiling water, a secret of snack bars. In a saucepan, start by adding 2 cups of water, then a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. And now it's just a matter of mixing all of that together really well. And now we're going to leave it until this water starts to boil. As soon as it starts boiling, we'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Soon after, we'll mix well until it starts to turn into dough. At this point, you can put out the fire. Guys, here turning the dough, we just have to give it a slight squeeze. And now we're going to move it to a countertop and we're going to start kneading it. If it's too hot, folks, wait for it to cool down a bit so you don't hurt your hands. Once the dough is very smooth, we'll take a small amount in our hands. We're going to make a hole here in the middle, and then guys, it's just us stuffing it. Here I'll use mozzarella, but if you prefer, you can use the filling of your liking. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. Now let's put them through the eggs first. And then now just roll them in breadcrumbs. Once this is done, we'll take them to fry in hot oil. Look guys, as soon as it browns, just remove it. Let it drip on a paper towel. And look how amazing it looks. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. This little cheese ball is delicious. And I hope you enjoyed it. This was another little recipe here from the poor in the kitchen. That big hug. Until next time. And it was worth it.